Hello everybody, this is a video for the new students and you can see I'm on the UE new students homepage there. So what I thought would be a really good and important thing for you to do would be to look at brushing up on your maths, because maths is really important as an engineer. You use it in lots of different ways. I'm sure you know that. And if you are struggling in any part of your maths, then using the summer, when it's a nice low period, to do some revision. And what we recommend that you do is use this online website called Matha Center. Okay, so Matha Center, you can see it's here. And so what you got there, you've got courses, topics, resources. Let me choose, and this is their home page. You can find out about them. Right, so the link that you want to use is this one here. So it's www. How many W's did I do? I'll start again. www.mathcenter.ac.uk. So they even get their own special .ac.uk. So that means we know it's an academic thing produced by UK people. So you type in that that into your Google, your browser, and you're going to be taken there. Now, what we want you to do is look at, to start with, a Algebra Refresher, which you can find on the site, and this is the link. And what I'll do is I'll copy this link and put it in the comments below so you can find it directly. And a Calculus Refresher. So these are what we call maths primers, kind of revision booklets. So they will have introduced topics to you, and then so this is what it looks like. So we've got a PDF, so it's like a little maths textbook. Take you through various topics, and it'll tell you how to try and use the book. And you can see that what we got here is just some stuff which you should be able to do as revision. So you try them out and then you'll find the answers at the back of the book. Okay, so you start off with those refreshers. So you've got one for your algebra. That's where we find us engineers might need a bit of refreshing. And one for our calculus. So that's our differentiation and our integration. So download that book and then try the various problems there. Okay. Right. So once you've done your refresher, the next thing to have a look at would be to go back to the main page and then just explore the topics. Certainly in the module that I teach, the one that you'll find very useful will be trigonometry. So that would be a good topic to explore. So you can go to the Math Center to get to the topics. You'll click on the topics section there, and alphabetically ordered. So if there's any things here that you feel that you'd like to do, maybe geometry or functions, matrices perhaps, but we're looking at trigonometry here. So click on that, and then we can see that each of these is split up into hyperlinks. So let's say we wanted to be looking at something like that. We've got more hyperlinks there. Now the other thing is that if you're struggling with your refresher, you could be then using these topics, let's say you're doing the Algebra Refresher, and they had a question about completing the squares and you wanted to know more, then you could click on the completing the squares, and you see you even got little videos here that you can watch. So we could got a video here, and how they work is that you download them. So I've just downloaded the completing square one, and I've got this gentleman here.
We're going to have a look at a very simple process. It's called.
So he's very simple, he says, so it must be okay. So that should be helpful. So once you feel confident about that, you can then have have a look around the Maths Center site. So it was developed by a bunch of good universities, and they all support Maths Center. It's pretty much kind of frozen as a site now, but it was developed, including, of course, not only, but including UE was supporting it. So how can I tell you that? Well, if you look at the About Us, then you can read the background, and you can see there's all these academics that have supported it. Hey, and I seem to recognize a face there. Here we go. One of my favorites. So where am I? I'm probably in the way. Let's move me across. So Arona, he's one of our lecturers, and he teaches thermodynamics and energy. He's very good on those sort of things. So yeah, so he supported and contributed to the Maths Centre amongst many other UK-based academics. So there we go. So have a play. I'll put the links in below for where you can find those refreshers. Start there, and then look at the main topics. I think that's all I really want to say. Thank you very much.